Hey, what's up, guys and girls? It's your boy SGP back at you once again. We're doing a store find today. We out here in Phoenix. It's like 12 o'clock at night. Still 90 degrees, man. That's crazy. But we out here. We hit up my man Neef and Edgar over at AZThreads. If you don't know about them, I'm gonna leave a link down for their Instagram. If you're in the area, if you're gonna be in the area, come check out their store. Alright, but let's get into the shoes, man. See the box. This is an old pickup. We got Shadow Ones. I know they just re-released 2018s, but these are the 09 versions. So hit me up with a pretty good deal. Got them for $180. They are used, but of course they are not used up. Take a look at them. Sole's still good on them. So came with the gray laces. How you doing? So, this material right here is new book. It's dirty. Got some stains there. Stains on the back. But we're gonna clean these up, get them on feet, and see how I do for y'all, man. Let me know if this is a quality pickup. If y'all got the 2018 versions. If y'all like Jordan 1s, let me know down in the comments, guys.
84 mopeds, blue and white Procast. Just started puffing, got instructions from an old head. COVID, Wally rocking niggas trying to grow dreads. Back in the woods, Church Ave on the jukes. Shell toes, black and white, no laces in them. Pat U edition had his whole face in them. Straight leg denims, tele-made shit. Kareem Laker colors, low cut, suede tip. Stay dip, Stan Smith lay sick. Two-tone colors, put the taps on the rubber. Puma rockin' nigga, fuck a rumor, I was bigger. See a bitch in seconds and assume that I could rip her. None hipper, cop kicks with the zippers. The felines arrived, it was Levi's and high. MV tracks, I was simply the Mac. Everything I snatched had to match with a hat.
Alright, guys, second part of this video, show you guys how I clean these up, get them ready to rock. First thing we do, snatch out the laces.
Remember the Forerunners, Corsicas, back with the gold Canyons, Maxima, yup, stands. Audis with sick Vansons, Datsuns, Corollas, all of the oldies, yo. Riding through the city, Jettas and Volvos. Cressidas was for the extraterrestrial, Alfa Romeos.
Laces out. Just a regular bottle. Sometimes it's a liter bottle, but any bottle would do. Put a little bit of detergent in there. If it's white shoelaces, we'll add some OxyClean, some bleach. And just shake it up. This is going to mimic the effects of a washing machine. So depending on how dirty it is, leave it in there for maybe a day, 30 minutes, just depending on how dirty it is, how long I want them to pre-soak or whatever. So eventually that's going to dumb down. Like, you can probably see how dirty these are. And that sort of gives me a good clue of how dirty these sneakers really are. Next, I go to the midsoles. All this scuffs and stains, dirt on the outsoles. I try to use the least abrasive method first. So don't go with the hard stuff first. If it's something that just can wipe off, just wipe it off. Don't go all out on it. So we got a Nubuck suede eraser. I think this is a Rejuvenator brand, but you can get these from Walmart, Payless, Shoe Show, places like that. It's just a normal suede eraser. We're gonna see if some of these stains will come off with just the eraser.
Yeah, the Wranglers and Lexuses, Pintos, Geos, Suzuki's was the truth, yo. Making them uptown trips, cops to shoot you though. Benzes, 560s, Gallants and the fly Ribbies. Ribieras look grizzly, huh? You know we come through something mean under the sunroof. I blow a blunt poof, shorty singing them coof. Yeah, the Sterling, the Grand Ams, the Lincoln with the crab amps. Made me mad in the Blazer, we all cramped. 6 deep, 4 bags of Chiba, a crisp beat. All I need to show you now is a sick Jeep.
So we did one of the midsoles already. Hope you can see the comparisons. This one still looks a little dingy. The one that we cleaned is looking a lot fresher. As you can see, shoestring still dirty. We're just gonna keep agitating this up. Knock all that dirt and grime up out of it. So before we actually start putting water on the shoe, this material is suede or nubuck, the check, the back heel, the strap, and the toe box. We're going to take the suede brush.
I'm gonna slap him in the face with the unexpected.
Right here. Yeah, what
Turn it up louder.
HJVO, I'm Miller, rockin' over Dilla. Paint the picture clearer than the mirror. I come from that era where everything matters.
Alright, you guys can already see the difference in the two. Just off a little bit of elbow grease. Most of the stains came out. So here we just have a bowl of water with I think some Gain detergent in it. Just a mild detergent. I don't have any Rejuvenator or anything like that as of right now. I think it's overpriced personally, but you know, that's on you. We do use the Rejuvenator brushes though. You know, I love their brushes. I just don't love their laundry system. So,
Cream again, nigga. First of all, black pocket, guns be sparking. Hit you in the back of your dome from far kid. Dice kickers, gun clickers, run up in the bank for ones quicker. Drug dealer niggas, we flip them. Polo rugbies, flags on my hat, you love these. Knockout artists of one piece, fly in a foreign. On my
now instead of using the laundry detergent on this, what I like to use is Kiwi saddle soap. I know you guys have seen this, Walmart, shoe stores, all the whole nine. But this is supposed to protect, clean, and soften leather. I mean, sometimes you get a little bit of water. Sometimes the new stuff, I mean, it gets its roots from somewhere. So people have been using this forever. And I find that when I use this, it actually does make my the leather on my shoes softer. So we're gonna get a good coat of this.
Hey yo, I run with real niggas who kill niggas who bread is longer than niggas in Pottersville. Bank holders forming the shank holders, driving costly shit, speaking slang, leaning like hangovers. The whip gliding, we vibing, we take you to the Brownsville Drive, to the west side, to SI, so dress fly, true balance, living my talents. I learned to cook, clean, and swing and bling, yo, and murder for thousands. Yup, a rap pharaoh who arrow got poison in it. Boys get it, who stunt. You know I'm general, like Colin Powell. Meet the new team in the street, formulated but long waited. A strong operation for more. Come like Samson, kill like 1,000 off one bone, and walk up in my mansion all dip, flip the mobile phone, flip niggas. I promise we hit big time as bury some men. Niggas say it's cold when I switch climates. It's real rap, need your nigga go in. I told men it's only one nigga that's left. He rock a go M, Mercy a Lago egg, his leg flooded, mold made out of lead. So when the snare kick